try. It's fairly straightforward.
Okay.
Clutch in, 100% throttle with first gear, and then once you hear the RPM stabilize, off the clutch.
All right.
And you can do the no lift shift too if you want to give that a shot as well.
Okay.
Make sure we get it slowed there. You'll stay to the right of that start line and then loop around back behind Brian's car there. All right, Mike, we'll get it squared up here. Last manual.
Pretty good.
First gear.
Clutch in.
Yep.
Throttle. Hold this new wheel, man. Go.
So same thing here. Looks like it didn't trigger it as well. So hopefully you'll get a trigger that time. If
Okay.
you're already recording, you're good to go whenever you're ready.
Thank you.
The biggest factor here being elevation. We're at about 3,000 feet, whatever it is, the horsepower. Of course, with these cars being forced induction, that helps a little bit. Also the heat, also the alignment with the camber in the rear, not as big of a contact patch.